You're mid-market, scaling fast, and your legacy ERP is cracking under the pressure. SAP S/4HANA Cloud and Oracle Fusion both promise to fix that, but the real story lives underneath the sales deck. Let's tear it down. Both platforms target companies outgrowing fragmented systems, disconnected finance, procurement, and HR stacks that kill operational visibility. SAP S/4HANA Cloud positions itself as the clean core, cloud-native successor to legacy SAP landscapes. Oracle Fusion pitches unified ERP plus HCM in a single data model, promising fewer integration seams. Here's where it gets technical. SAP enforces a strict clean core policy. Custom objects live in the BTP sidecar layer via the ABAP Cloud development model, meaning no direct core modifications. Oracle's Fusion allows custom objects natively through Application Composer, but sandbox-to-production promotion carries payload and metadata dependency risks that surface during complex migrations. SAP's extensibility follows the RAP framework, solid for structured extensions, but REST payload constraints and event mesh latency become real bottlenecks at high API volumes. Oracle's REST APIs are more flexible on object depth, but multi-tenant isolation between business units requires careful role hierarchy configuration most mid-market teams underestimate. Neither vendor publishes clean mid-market pricing, and that silence is expensive. SAP's Rise with S/4HANA bundles look attractive until you factor in BTP credit consumption for every custom extension, integration, and analytics workload. Those credits evaporate fast. Oracle Fusion's user-based licensing scales painfully once you add Fusion Analytics Warehouse or CPQ modules, with fully loaded mid-market TCO often landing well above initial estimates. If your team has strong SAP heritage and needs strict governance, S/4HANA Cloud is defensible, but budget aggressively for BTP. If you need faster custom object iteration and a tighter HCM-ERP data loop, Oracle Fusion has the edge, but pressure your SI for a fully loaded TCO model before signing. Neither platform is a shortcut. Check the affiliate links in the description for our full TCO breakdown and vendor comparison sheet. Drop your biggest ERP migration question in the comments. We read every one.